Now, let's proceed to the next problem. So we have 18x squared minus 39x equals 15. Now, let us observe once again. So let us move everything to one side. So we don't want 15, that 15 on the right. So let's move it to the left. Just subtract 15, okay, on both sides. So we have 18x squared minus 39x minus 15. And the right side would be 0. Okay, so it's time to split again. This one turns into 6x. So we have 6x plus 1 times 3x minus 15 equals 0. So when you factor this one, so we have 6x plus 1 times 3x minus 15. And finally, we use the ZPP. And we have 6x plus 1 equals 0. And the other one, we have 3x minus 15 equals 0. And the answer would be, we subtract 1 both sides, 6x equals negative 1. And dividing both sides by 6, giving us x equals negative 1 over 6. Okay, so let's find out the other one. We have to add both sides, 15. And then the remaining would be 3x equals, this one is cancelled, 0 plus 15, that is going to be 15. Dividing both sides by 3 to isolate the x, the answer would be x equals 5. And that's it. That's it. Okay, that would be our final answer. Okay, you did it. You just learned how to solve tricky math problem by breaking them into smaller pieces or smaller, easier pieces. What did we do? Let's go over the easy peasy steps one more time. Step 1, make one side 0. If the equation doesn't have a 0, move stuff around it until it looks like something equals 0. So, step number 2, we break it into two parts. This is what we call factoring. Look for a way to split the big chunk into smaller pieces, like x times x minus 5 equals 0. This part is like finding two puzzle pieces that fit perfectly. And use number 3, use ZPP rule. If two things multiply to make 0, then one of them must be 0. So we say x equals 0 or x minus 5 equals 0 to x equals 5. That's our answer. Okay, so that is for today. We move on to our next level. See you in our next lesson.